Hi, I'm John. I'm the owner of JG Motor Services. We've been going for about 5 years now. We're up to 4 technicians. There's 5 ramps with 2 workshops. We've got the bigger one here and a little one around the corner. We do anything and everything with 4 wheels, trailers, vans, cars, motorbikes, anything we look after.
What challenges were you facing before using TechMan?
So we use an offline system, so it was really hard to have on multiple computers. Sometimes we get people at weekends who'd want to book jobs in and we couldn't see the diary. Things were getting forgotten. People were turning up without being booked in because we didn't book them in because we didn't have the facility then. So,
what made you decide to go with TechMan over other garage management systems?
We looked at a few, but everything with TechMan was great. From start to finish, they've been brilliant. They were really helpful on the phone. They helped with everything. They were very friendly. It was just easy, and we liked what we saw. It was easy to use, and did everything we needed and more. So,
how was the setup, the onboarding, training? Do you remember?
Yeah, again, it was really easy. We did it over like a Zoom meeting, and we had 2 meetings, I think, and they were always really helpful. If we ever had any questions, we could add extra meetings on and stuff like that. So yeah, it was good.
How has TechMan improved your productivity or
Yeah, so the mechanics use it on the tablets. So for us, it's in the office. It's easier because we haven't got to keep writing things down, losing job cards, miscommunication. It's all sent straight through to the computer in the office. So it's a lot easier that way. The guys know what they're doing. All the jobs are allocated to them. So it's just it's a lot easier, a lot more organised.
How do you find TechMan's customer support and ongoing systems?
Yeah, again, they're really good. Every question's answered quickly. If it's over email or over the phone, nothing's ever too big or too small for them to handle.
What would you say to other garages thinking about using TechMan?
Yeah, I think out there it is the best one out there to use. So yeah, I'd go for it. It will help and improve your business.
So you'd recommend TechMan?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
If you're facing challenges similar to those our customers faced before, get in touch with us today. Just click the link below to book your demo and see how TechMan can transform your garage.